Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Sonic Gallery widget brought to you by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Sonic presents a refreshing image gallery interface that displays a hover window with the image title along with a lightbox view and read more link icon. The hover transition is so smooth and the appearance will look captivating for your visitors. Galleries as light and as tasteful as Sonic can easily fit in most websites and portray your images with a unique style. Now let us show you the back end of this widget and how you can customize it. On the screen, the widget has already been dropped inside the editor. On your left, there is a grid template column option on top, following the row gap, column gap and item height scroll bars. Using item height, you can change the total height of all images at once. There is a masonry switcher to transform the gallery into masonry. One switcher below lets you turn off the title on the hover screen of the gallery. Then there is the title tag, alignment and image size option available. Click on the link option and choose media file to activate the link feature here. Then set the link target to only button so a read more icon will be visible on the hover screen. You can hover over the gallery and see the link and lightbox icons on top. Next, the items section is where all the gallery items are listed. You can add more by clicking the add item button or close existing ones by clicking the cross icon at the end of each item box. Now click on the first item box and it will open more options inside for customizations. From here, click on the image field and choose an image for the gallery. Then change the image title accordingly. Now switch to the grid subsection and change the column span to make the image occupy more column tiles. The maximum is 12. Let's go with 5. Same way, you can expand the image vertically through the row span or use a custom height bar to only stretch the single image without others getting modified. Changing the row span impacts others because it lets the image occupy more row tiles. Then go to the next item and change the image of it. Then the title. And finally, adjust the grid settings to fit it beside the first item. Do the same thing to the third item too. For the rest 3 items, changing the image and title will do. Like that, you now have a nice layout for your image gallery. Next, we'll move to the Style tab in order to customize the appearance of the gallery. First, go to the Content section and change the background color to a semi-transparent white. You can go over the gallery and see how this changes the title background into a nice looking interface. Next, go to the Title section and change the text color to full black and then customize the font from the typography. You can check out how that looks now. After that, go to the link button section and change the color of the link button icon. Also change the button background color to a semi-transparent white. For the hover mode, just reverse the color order and we are good to go. Now minimize the control panel and get a taste of the freshly baked image gallery with the Sonic widget. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel to get updates about new upcoming tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.